Adobota, Arubeha, Farumohuanu Felituma, and this place are much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you find there's no need to cry. And this place, you feel there's no heart of sorrow. And there are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space and make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if you care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. You and for me. Oh yeah.
Amazing grace, how sweet. If they say why, tell them that is human nature, why?
If they said why, just tell them that is human nature, why? Does it leave that way? If they said why, just tell them that is human nature, why? Does it leave that way? I like living this way. I like living this way. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they said why, just tell them that it's human nature, why? Does it lead that way? If they said why? Tell them that it's human nature, why? Does it do it that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Looking out across the night time, the city winds a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the night time, for once one told me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they said why, just tell them that it's human nature, why? Does it need that way? If they said why? Tell them that it's human nature, why? Does it lead that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows how much. She likes the way I steer. If they said why? Just tell them that it's human nature, why? Does it lead that way? If they said why? Tell them that it's human nature, why? Does it do it that way? I like living this way. I don't like loving this way. Looking out across the night time, the city winds a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs got me out into the night time. For once told me tonight, if this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, just tell them that it's human nature. Why does it be that way? If they say why, just tell them that it's human nature. Why does it be that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they said why, just tell them that it's human nature. Why does it be that way? If they said why, just tell them that it's human nature. Why does it be that way? I like living this way. I like living this way. There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place come much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space and make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place. For you and for me and the entire human race. There are people that can, if you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. 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 Hey pretty baby with the highest on, you give me fever like you've never ever known. You're just a product of loveliness. I like the groove of your walk, your talk, your dress. I feel your fever from my surround. I pick it up in my car and we paint the town. Just kiss me, baby, and tell me twice that you're the one for me. The way you make me feel, you really turn me down. You knock me off of my feet now, baby. You knock me off of my feet now, baby.